25 square division 5 plus 20 division 4 into 2. We start with 25 square, 6 to 5. What should be the next step? There are two division, multiplication and an addition. Don't worry, in mathematics, we use a particular order of operation known as PEMDAS, where you solve for parenthesis first, then comes exponent, which we have already solved first. Next comes multiplication, so 4 into 2, 8. And this is the mistake one should always avoid. Because although multiplication comes before division, they both have same priority. And similarly, addition and subtraction also have same priority. Again the question comes, if two symbols have same priority, which one to solve first? For that, there is a simple rule that solves the equation from left to right. So going from left to right, 625 division 5 comes first. Solve it. Again from left to right, division comes first. Now between addition and multiplication, multiplication obviously has higher priority. So 125 plus 10 and your final answer is 135.